Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make sweet Pidi Kulakkatai. I have taken 1 cup of rice flour. I am adding half a cup of baked jaggery. Mix nicely with rice flour. Ensure it is a nice jaggery. If it is not of good quality, just make it as a syrup and then add it to rice flour. Just sprinkle little water, knead it nicely and make it as a dough. So in this stage, add finely chopped coconut or scraped coconut. Add yellow is sesame seeds. Mix everything nicely. The main important thing is, if jaggery is not of good quality, just add very less water, boil it, strain it and just add the syrup alone with this rice flour. Now take little by little, use your palm, press it nicely and make a shape. This is a recipe usually people make for Ganesha Chaturthi, for Ganesha's birthday. Otherwise we can make this for evening tea time snack also. Likewise make shape with rest of dough. Now all the Pidi Kulakkatais are ready to steam. So see, all the Pidi Kulakkatais are steamed for 10 minutes. Likewise you also prepare, subscribe, comment and like the videos. Generally Kulakkatais are very healthy recipes. This is zero oil, made with jaggery. You can make with sugar also, depends upon our taste we can add.